It sucked me in. There was nothing I could do.
Uh-oh. This is a total cluster.
We gotta get across the river.
See that? She said the control point was in that first cupola.
Go, move. Let's move.
Tomahawks are inbound. ETA 20 minutes.
I'm in the traffic cameras.
4 Autobots are captured.
Oh my God, we're helpless.
Whatever's set to happen with those pulses getting faster, it's gonna happen soon.
No sign of Optimus.
How do we get these bridges down?
Spread out. Check in there.
We're looking for your ass. How you doing?
The time is whack. Even worse, we can't get across the river to that building, and the Autobots are upstairs surrounded.
Just pan the camera around, all right?
All right, Pen right, that's you.
Try getting into the bridge control room.
What are they doing there? Just standing there.
Hang on. Dutch. See if you can hack into the bridge.
Sir, seals are here.
It's a good day, boys. What do you got?
Got a 10-man seal element, sir. Attached with Vector and Tomahawks.
How long?
15.
Get off me! All right, you're gonna need your 40 mics and your frags. Go full auto. The vibrations jack up their circuits. Snipers, shoot for the eyes. All right, your target's up on top of that building, that cupola.
How doomed you are, Autobots. You simply fail to understand that the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. Activating the bridge.
You happy about something?
We're in the heart of their ship. Let's give them a little ride.
Oh, we're gonna screw this ship up.
It's 128K binary encryption code. It's difficult. But not for me. I'm in. Bridge down.
The bridge is coming down! Someone's watching over us! Pleasure working with you, Seymour. I believe you're supposed to say.
Good job, Dutch.
Dankeschön.
Prisoners? You're keeping prisoners? You need to teach them about respect. This was all business, but now it's personal. Do you understand me?
I understand. No prisoners, only trophies. B, I think they're going to kill us. Your time is up.
Wait! We surrendered! We're your prisoners!
Move it.
Can't we talk this out? We're all a bunch of good chaps. I mean, you know. Why did you...
Goodbye, my old friend. You're mine now.
Help him.
What? What are you doing?
We're gonna help him.
You can't help him. Stop.
Come along.
We gave him a hell of a run.
Bridge, you and me.
We might die.